This is the most recent version of the Osprey Transporter Global Carry-On. They updated it to have stowable backpack straps on this 36-liter version. And just like all the bags in the Transporter series, this one is designed for travel with this thick, rugged TPU-coated fabric. At first, it doesn't seem like there's really anything special about the Global Carry-On. It's just a standard rectangular suitcase-style travel backpack. However, this thing has a lot of features that make it a great travel bag, like these giant locking number 10 YKK zippers. It has a large 36-liter capacity. There's lots of organization, including these two large separated main compartments, and some great carry-on options with stowable backpack straps, beefy side and top carry handles, and then this shoulder carry strap. The main organization revolves around this large, fully opening clamshell style design. This large size over here is about 4 inches deep, takes up about 2/3 of the volume of the pack. And it almost perfectly fits two medium Eagle Creek packing cubes. These are both 10 by 14. That's the compression cube, and this is actually the expansion cube. They almost fit in there perfectly. Kind of have to squeeze the second one in there. And then these double tie-down straps do a great job keeping your gear in place. This other side has a zippered separator with two large mesh pockets. The side is about 2 inches deep and takes roughly about 1/3 of the volume in the pack. This compartment is great for thinner items like this packing cube with my socks and underwear. I have my toiletry kit, a little backpack, and then a thin fleece. These pockets are great for thinner items like this utensil set, travel towel, and a little mini scrub. And then you can see I have this thing packed decently right now, but you can expand it out. You can actually fit quite a bit more in this pocket. However, it's gonna be bulging out and it's gonna be pressing onto this front compartment. And then you can see the quality on this hardware. These are the biggest number 10 YKK locking zippers, just great quality, really smooth. And this front compartment with these two offset zippers, it doesn't fold all the way down, kind of has this 3/4 opening. And these seams sewn into the side here give this front compartment its own volume. You can see we are eating into a little bit with the contents in the main compartment, but we still have a good amount of room in here. There's this large zippered pocket. It goes about halfway down this pocket. It's large enough for a couple chargers, battery pack, and then there's a few stretchy pockets over here. Notebook, I have a big cord in here, and pen and pencil, and there's also a little key leash. And then there's this top slash pocket with this soft fabric lining. And then you can see this thing goes inside the main compartment, so what you have packed in here is gonna impact how much you can fit in this pocket. The last exterior feature is this laptop compartment located between the main compartment and the backpack straps. Also has a larger number 8 locking YKK zipper. And this thing is a 3/4 opening, kind of like the front compartment goes down to here on this side, and then about 3/4 of the way down the pack on this side. So not completely open flat. The padding is okay. It's kind of a thinner piece of hard foam on the back here, and then there's a softer foam here. This thing easily fits my 15-inch Dell, slides right in there. And there's actually a false bottom that keeps your laptop about 2 inches off the bottom of the pack. This is that bag packed out with all that gear I had on the table there. It's about 8.1 kilograms or 17.8 pounds, which is about as much as I'd want to pack in this bag, considering these kind of halfway decent shoulder straps. These things are about 2.5 inches wide in the top and tapering down. They're made with this one thinner layer of this perforated foam covered in a breathable mesh fabric. And this top yoke here helps give the shoulder straps more of an angle so they fit more comfortably around your shoulders and neck. There's also an adjustable sternum strap on here, and then these straps, you can detach them from the bottom of the bag with this adjustable lobster claw clip. There's also a non-padded nylon webbing hip belt here. Pretty minimalist. There's a large buckle, but like the shoulder straps, these things can also stow away and tuck completely inside these little side pockets. And that's the bag with the straps stowed away, pretty sleek, minimalist. You can carry it around like a briefcase with these side carry handles, or you can put it over a rolling luggage with that luggage pass-through sleeve. Or you can clip on the over-the-shoulder strap. This thing is really thick, padded. It's almost an inch thick with a thinner 2-inch nylon webbing, which allows you to carry this thing around like a briefcase. This bag is 36 liters. It's not too big to work this way. And then you do have access to this front compartment because the zipper doesn't go all the way around on the bottom. Your stuff isn't gonna fall out. Switching back to the backpack mode, these straps are kind of medium thickness, but you can see it's just this TPU on the back and there's not really any kind of air ventilation or padding on the back of the bag. This is a decent carry. The shoulder straps aren't super thick, but it's fine if you don't put too much weight in there. And this yoke helps give them a good angle around your shoulders. This hip belt isn't padded, but having it there does help the comfort take some weight off your shoulders. However, I would like to see some more padding or ventilation on the back here, as this plastic backing tends to get kind of hot. Some pros are the large clamshell design. This thing is just really easy to open, has a large interior capacity, easy to pack. Also rugged materials and hardware, huge YKK zippers, nice durable TPU coated fabric. Biggest con is the carry comfort. These straps are about the smallest you can get away with for a 36 liter pack. And then the back here, just the TPU coating doesn't have any kind of padding or mesh air ventilation. I hope you like this review on the Osprey Transporter Global Carry-On 36 liter travel backpack. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions below. Please subscribe to the channel if you like content like this, and thanks for watching.